That stupid starfish is actually right about this. Well, okay, if you want out this game, I bet you can't solve 1,000,000 times 1.
A million times one, huh? Man, I wish I had a million Krabby Patties right about now.
How many?
1,000,000.
Patrick, that's amazing. You answered the problem all by yourself.
What problem?
Good one, Patrick. For a minute there, I thought you were going to say you didn't know your math.
The math is dumb.
Excuse me? What did you say? Wait, hold that thought. I have to go do something really quick.
Don't mind me. I'll just stay right here, all alone, in the dark, without anything dangerous.
There's doors everywhere here. Wonder what's in here. Oh, don't tell me it's another notebook. Wait, this one looks different. Hello again, SpongeBob. I hope you're enjoying your visit in my schoolhouse. Enjoying? You might as well rename this place Baldi's Basics in Prison and Torture. And what did you do with my friend Patrick? Don't worry, he's a little tied up in his homework right now. He'll be fine. Well, he better be, or else what, SpongeBob? Here, let's make a deal. You answer all my problems, and you can have your friend back. Fine. What is 12 times 7? 84. God, you're educated, I see. What is the square root of 144? 12. Wow, you're the smartest student I've ever seen. Last problem. What's this? It doesn't say anything. There's no way to answer this problem. Hey! You tricked me! Oh, I guess you won't be getting your friend back. Hey, wait a minute! That's not fair! I gotta find a way to save Patrick! Yeah.
I want to play with someone.
Not you again. Listen, little girl, I told you I don't want to play right now. Where did this come from? Oh, now I remember. This is Baldi's ruler. Ah, this is a little sharp.
Let's play.
Not again. I need to find a way to get out of here. Wait a minute. Now get out of my way. I have a friend to save. Uh-oh. No shoving students and breaking their toys in the hall. 60 seconds. Attention for you. This is going on the permanent record. That key. I bet I know where this goes to. Well, the door isn't locked, so I guess I can leave detention a little early. I better hurry before that principal comes back. No escaping detention in the halls. Ah! No stealing the principal's keys in the halls. No locking the doors in the halls. No being a bad student in the halls. I better find Patrick Whitney recycled cardboard cutout breaks the door down. Hi, wait a minute. There's nothing in here. Huh. These axe might come in handy though. It's gotta be like some secret room in here. Bingo! This has to be it. That's a long way down. Maybe I shouldn't. Here goes nothing. Looks like your friend will be joining us very soon.
Don't you hurt him. Take me instead.
Oh, I'll take both of you. I gotta get ready for your friend to arrive. Be back in a flash. the third time, SpongeBob. Nice of you to drop on by. Welcome to my dungeon. It's better that I go to my friend or else. Or else what? What can you possibly do? Hey, Patrick. You smell that?
Hey, wait a minute. Is that?
That's right, Patrick. What are you guys talking about? Oh, and hi, you might want to put that away. It's dangerous down here. Don't do it, SpongeBob. Help you can swim. Hold on, Patrick.
Oh, trust me, I don't think I'm going anywhere.
Hey, what? I can't swim very good. You won this time, SpongeBob. But I'll be back. Come on, Patrick. Let's swim out of here. Well, that was not what I planned. Better call a plumber to fix this.